Hey, Ben here with Studio on the Lake. So, it's about time for a little challenge. Spring has arrived. We got a little Japanese maple, I think. It puts out about 6-inch flowers out in front. We got the Pope gnome, a squirrel. There's a birdhouse that was done 2-3 years ago. You'll notice the squirrels over the winter carved out his mouth hole, his pie hole. Jordy, they carved out his pie hole. So here's some a couple stuff in gesso. There's a loon in the background, and then in the front is a little curlew that gets painted. Of course, I'm working on rebuilding the studio. Kids coming up this weekend, going to do some damage to that. So here's a chunk of basswood. I needed to start a whale, not necessarily the whale in the whale spirit challenge. So spirit whale challenge. Okay, so here's some people I'm going to call them out. So here's what we need you guys to do. Jordy Johnson over at Carving Fusion. Any whale, a spirit whale. Rob at Just Carve Rob. Kevin at Sticks and Stones. If you have time, Kevin, you can slide in there. Here's Matt. We'll go all the way down to Australia. Pick up Matt. Here's a new guy, Paul, over on the West Coast there. We got to get Paul up in the readership there. And, of course, BAP over in Ireland there. So not much to this. Carve any kind of a spirit whale. More details will be coming out. You guys can respond to me in the comments. If you want to play or not, we'll give them all away in a drawing in July. Thanks a lot. This has been